message that Kaya is trying to give to y'all. Along with if you don't do it, I will. Just let that girl cook and vibe, okay? It's just TikTok. Don't take it too serious though. Don't take it too serious.
You bad like that, you know. But I'm the one that eats your pain. I know.
What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? As you guys can tell by the title, in this video we are sitting down and doing some glam, okay? This look right here, and we are also going to be chit-chatting, y'all. If you're interested in seeing how I put this look together and my perspective on the whole cooking with Kaya situation, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before we go ahead and get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl and stay connected. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so y'all know I already come on with my eyebrows done, and if you want a more detailed tutorial on how I do my eyebrows, I will leave that in the description box down below. Now let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, I know y'all seen the title. And we are talking about the whole cooking with Kaya situation. Like, baby girl is literally going viral for cooking, and not just cooking with a little twerk at the end. And I just got like one question, for real. And I just want to know, why y'all hating on that girl? What did she do to y'all to make you hate on her this bad over cooking? Like, it's crazy. You guys find, well, I'm not even gonna say you guys, I'm gonna say people, women, find the craziest things to be jealous of. Like, what is wrong with people? Like, seriously. I mean, like, why do women feel threatened by another woman that's out here doing her thing with confidence? Like, what is the deal with that? Because, I mean, is it insecurity, or am I just misunderstanding the situation, and, you know, maybe I'm just not that mad because I ain't got no man? I don't know what it is, but for me, I think that y'all can learn something from Kaya, to be honest. I mean, stop hating on the girl and just use it for inspiration, okay? I mean, we all have our things that we show up for, whether we get dressed for the mall, we get dressed for the book club, or whatever. Let this girl get dressed for her TikTok, okay? Let her get dressed for the kitchen. Let her romanticize her life, okay? Okay, hold on. Let's spray this face down. I like the way it smells. It smells so good. But anyways, like I was saying, while this is kind of like drying down a little bit, let's talk. Now, I understand how a lot of women can be offended by the message that she was given, okay? The whole "I'll take your man" situation. But let's be real, you know, cooking is not the only thing that can keep a man. And another thing, there's men out here that cook. So you're gonna have to do more than just cook, you know, to keep me, you know, and hopefully you got some standard too. But anyways, like I'm saying, let's go ahead and blend this out and let's keep talking. But I feel like a lot of people are mad just due to the delivery of the message, the whole "I'll take your man," you know, type of a vibe she was giving, and, you know, almost that "you don't do it, I will." You know, like, I can see where, you know, it can start a little uproar, okay? But for this many women, that's crazy. Like, everywhere you turn, Facebook, Instagram, all of that, it's all like, y'all are hating on her really bad. And that's crazy. It's like, y'all don't like that girl really just got up there and was being herself authentically, you know, just showing y'all her vibe. Y'all don't know, like, she could have been cooking like that, romanticizing her life for the longest, and y'all don't know, and she just get on the internet and start showing y'all. And to be honest with you, y'all effing up the vibe. You're messing up the vibe. She trying to give y'all something, But some women are just focused on how the message made them feel, the delivery of the message made them feel, which is crazy. I mean, you guys took that as unnecessary competition, or y'all could really be mad because baby girl just sat there and put pressure on you, okay? She put pressure on you to kind of like make you feel like you got to perform for your man or your spouse, your partner. And if I'm gonna be completely honest with you, she's not wrong, okay? She's not doing anything different than what Nara's doing when she dresses up really cute and cooks from scratch. Or who are some other cookers? See, I don't know because I'm not gonna hold y'all. I be watching men cook. I like me a good man that can cook. Now, I don't know. I ain't too invested in these women. I mean, like, I like y'all, but you ever seen a man, real fine man, cooking, doing all the things that they said a woman should only be doing? Like, it's a sight to see. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, everybody. But my point is, I feel like y'all took something that was motivational and turned it into something that it really wasn't. You know, like this whole era of being a girl's girl and everything, I don't know. I feel like y'all kind of taking it out of proportion. I don't know. I mean, I really don't see anything wrong with someone motivating you to step your game up, okay? The hate is crazy. And I ain't gonna hold you. Everyone that's low-key hating on that girl can never call themselves a girl's girl, okay? Because there's an issue with stepping your game up in the kitchen, you know, with your appearance, on how you look and stuff like that. I watch vloggers all the time that get dressed and do absolutely nothing, but it's the act of getting dressed and taking care of yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's wrong with making sure you look presentable in what you like to wear around the house? Like, women out here wear nothing but drawers and all of that everywhere, and y'all mad over cooking with Kaya? Y'all, please go to therapy. Go to therapy and fix all of those insecurities. And for the ones that are in a relationship and y'all want to go, my man don't need all of that. He don't even care what I cook in as long as the food gets made. Yeah, okay, Ashy. Bye. Y'all both over there with big bags, okay? Giving low budget effort to each other. See? You see? And if I'm gonna be honest with you, if you have a man, you should really already be cooking, at least looking decent, okay? I mean, you don't have to look like Nara and all of them. You don't have to have like a full beat face. You don't have to, you know, do too much, but put some effort into how you look. Be intentional. It's okay to be some eye candy, okay? You need to be eye candy for your partner. And I feel like that's really the message that Kaya's trying to give to y'all. Along with, if you don't do it, I will. But to be honest with you, that is the nature of most women, most men, everybody. What he won't do or what she won't do, I will. Okay? She won't look good for you while she cooks. She don't want to make your plate. That's okay. Bring that ass over here. Like, I got you. That's simple. That was already on the list anyway, because that's just the type of woman that I am. So all I'm saying is that there is nothing wrong with someone telling you to step your game up and be more intentional about what you're bringing to the table, literally and honestly, figuratively. I mean, because like, let's be so for real. Relationships thrive off of intentionality, communication, you know, just doing things to like keep the relationship alive and thriving. So when it comes to this whole Kaya situation, y'all, what are we really talking about? What are y'all really mad about? What is the issue? I mean, somebody please let me know, because the understanding is, I don't know, at all time low, I guess. I mean, I just really want y'all to just let that girl cook and vibe, okay? That is all she's doing, is just cooking and vibing. I see what she be doing on other people's platforms all the time. She ain't doing nothing but showing y'all like how she romanticizes her life, what she do. And like I said, also telling you, if you don't do it, you will. I mean, I just keep going back to that because it is what it is. On that, it is literally a true statement. I mean, we see it on these shows, the ultimatum and stuff like that, all the time. I mean, I really feel like if you are secure in who you are and the role that you play in your relationship, and secure in your relationship and with your partner, women like Kaya should not have you all rattled up and in an uproar like this, okay? I mean, y'all really cannot be out here hating on this girl for just doing her thing with confidence. I mean, like, who raised y'all? At the end of the day, oh God, that is a crazy amount of blush. But anyways, at the end of the day, it's really not about that girl cooking or what she's saying. It's all about people being insecure and projecting it, to be honest with you. Okay, that pink is pinking. I have to figure out how to tone that down because, okay, next. Someone showing you and telling you to put effort in should never be taken as a threat, okay? It really shouldn't, because why? Use it as a way to level up, okay? Y'all, this is very, 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 very pink. I don't know, it's very pink. I just keep blending it out and now it's very pink everywhere. It's fine though. We're gonna work with it. So you guys know I gotta leave you with some tips, okay? Before we finish this makeup look, before we pull everything together, I'm gonna give y'all some tips, okay? So first tip for the haters, for the people that are out here hating on baby girl Kaya, okay? I'm just gonna tell you, you need to learn to be inspired, okay? And not intimidated. Instead of hating on women like Kaya, take it and use it as inspiration. Like, for real, if you like her vibe and how she's cooking, see how you can incorporate that into your own life. And that's all that it is. You know, if you notice that that's the type of TikToks that your man is watching, I mean, girl, we out here watching Duke Dennis, okay? Like, let these men look at who they like to cook, okay? Let them look. Now, it's a problem when other things start to occur, but anyways, you discern with that situation, okay? It's just TikTok. Don't take it too serious though. Don't take it too serious. Another thing, y'all, stop projecting y'all's insecurities on that little girl. Like I said, she got on TikTok to make her little coin, show y'all how to make some food, because to be honest with you, half of y'all really don't know how to cook, okay? I personally need to be watching Kaya because my meals are a solid iffy, okay? Guys gonna really have to bring your girl a husband that can cook, because depending on me 7 days a week, same meals will be in rotation. You get tired here, and then I might have to just send you on to Kaya and then bring us both the plate. But no, for real, work on your insecurities and don't project on her. If you like what she's doing, see how you can incorporate it into your life. Like I just said, build your own confidence, you know, set the vibe, do what you got to do for yourself, but stop projecting on the girl. Honestly, anybody that can get up on social media and cook or do anything, like, your confidence is unmatched, okay? It's unmatched. Know that. So the fact that Kaya gets up on the internet and does what she does, the fact that Anara gets up on the internet and does what she does, or Kimmy or whomever, you know, like, that's just amazing in itself. And y'all out here ripping this girl apart. Y'all are not even being motivated by it. You guys are literally starting a hate train for her, and that is crazy. That is crazy. Another thing that I will say is that it doesn't matter what stage you are in your life, you always need to really surround yourself around confident women, okay? Confident people in general are amazing, okay? And confidence is very, 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 very contagious, okay? Confidence is contagious. Being in a room full of confident people, it's either going to bring out an insecurity or it's going to bring out your confidence. And I'm gonna be a little shy going into a room, but I'm gonna match the energy, okay? So if we're all showing up confident, I'm showing up confident, okay? But if we're all showing up insecure, I'm not really matching that vibe, you know? I'm not matching that vibe. But it goes to show how contagious insecurities are as well. I mean, when you surround yourself around women that are just doing the darn thing, they celebrate their wins, they also celebrate your wins. It's just amazing and it's mind-blowing. And to be honest with you, you don't ever feel threatened. Okay, hold on guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. All I'm saying is that, hold on y'all, I can't talk and line my lips at the same time. Give me a second. Okay, like I was saying, y'all, all I'm saying is that Kaya isn't the enemy. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that, and I'll be the first one to say it. I'm not hating on you, girl. Do your thing. I'm not mad at you. I wasn't mad when the City Girls came on the scene and said they was gonna take my man. I wasn't mad when Salt and Pepper said it. So what's the hype? What are we mad about over baby Kaya? Like, let's make it make sense. Cooking is simple. Like, y'all are crazy for even being in a tizzy over this. If anything, this girl just, hold on y'all, I got the beauty supply lip gloss and stuff like that. And okay, really, any lip gloss that you put on here, boom, you're gonna get them Bratz lips. Okay, actually the whole look is giving Bratz. Unintentionally. To be honest with you, this situation is no different than other women saying they don't wear makeup, they don't need to wear makeup, and women like me wear too much makeup. Girl, bye. You're not confident to sit down and do your makeup. You're not confident to wear makeup. Like, it's a you thing. It's not me. Back up off me. And I just kind of feel that way with Kaya. So let that girl remind you guys to really harness your power as a woman, okay? Because these these dudes are very, very gullible. Very gullible. You see how easy it is for little mom to be in the kitchen cooking and a little twerk and a theme song? Okay, that's, ladies, it's a power. So use it, okay? Use it to step into something like that. You know, do something cute. Romanticize your life. Use it. Don't hate on it, okay? But anyways, you guys, this right here is the look. I definitely use too much blush. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that. I use way too much blush, but that is okay. The look still kind of like came out really good and cute, and we're gonna rock with it today. We're not doing much but running some errands, but we're gonna rock with it today. I mean, y'all let me know in the comments down below, like, should women be intimidated by women like Kaya, or should we support that, to be honest with you? And do we see it as a motivation? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on the situation. So yeah, don't be afraid to tell me. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching this video with me and doing some makeup. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed my perspective on this situation. Don't come for me too hard, because I'm not afraid to tussle. It's like, no, I'm just kidding. Just look, we'll be good. But I just wanted to really step up and give you guys my perspective on the whole Kaya situation, the whole cooking with Kaya situation. I just feel like y'all are going way too hard on that girl, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna mind my business over here. But anyways, if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that little bell on the side so that you can keep up with your girl, okay, for more beauty tutorials and makeup and chit chats and all the things. But with that being said, until next time, may peace and love be multiplied, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.